Hi, I am reading again from the book in Sinu Jesu for those people who are busy. For some minutes, we'll read, and this is a diary of a Benedictine monk on Thursday, October 2007, Feast of Saint Francis Assisi. So he writes like this: For some time already, our Lord has made me desire to have adoration on Thursday in thanksgiving for the Holy Eucharist and also in thanksgiving for the mystery of the priesthood. After Mass, I made my confession to the chaplain of the monastery. He confirmed certain things having to do with the resistances to grace that I confessed. He directed me towards the saints, something that corresponds exactly to the strong attraction to the friendship of the saints that has always marked my life. During my thanksgiving, I think when I asked the Lord if this call to priestly adoration and reparation was for me alone or if I should live it with others, I believed that I heard him say, "No, I shall give you brothers and sons." I must add that the book by Dom Vanture that was sent to me without my having requested it, to arrive precisely at the moment when I was preparing to begin this retreat, describes perfectly the Eucharistic sacerdotal call that I believe I hear coming to me from our Lord, priest, victim, and altar. I do not know where, nor when, nor how this calling will be realized. I know only that it is urgent and that the time presses. I seem to see a little monastic nucleus with priest, adorer, reparatus associated with it, and that these will be numerous. I have known for some time that I was to do something for the sanctification and spiritual healing of priests. I would be a work of spiritual hospitality for priests in a place made radiant by Eucharistic adoration and where the beauty of the sacred liturgy, including the choral office, would be like a healing balm on the wounds of the priests who will be welcomed. I do not know if this will be done in collaboration with a community of nuns or not. I dare not advance this too far, nor can I exclude it altogether. The place will have to be beautiful and welcoming, all in the radiance of the Blessed Sacrament exposed. I seemed to understand that there would be priests adoring and making reparation for priests, and among these there would be some penitent and rehabilitated priests. Charisms and graces will be given there in abundance. The Virgin Mary, my Mother of perpetual help, the mediatrix of all graces, will look after all the details, even as she did in St. John's home when she lived with him. To hold myself before the Eucharistic face of Jesus in the name of his priests, to offer them to his open heart. This is the diary on Thursday, October 4th, 2007, Feast of Saint Francis Assisi.